Most people think going without sleep just makes you tired. They're wrong. By day 3, your brain starts eating itself. By day 5, you're seeing people who aren't there. And by day 7, your organs begin to shut down one by one. This is the biological timeline of total human collapse. Welcome to the edge of survival. Day 1, the invisible drunk. Meet the invisible drunk. After just 24 hours, your brain's prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for logic, shuts down. Your reaction time is now the same as someone with a 0.10% blood alcohol level. You are legally drunk without drinking a single drop. Day 2, the biological wall. Your body is now screaming for help. Your metabolism crashes, and your internal temperature drops. You feel a deep, bone-chilling cold that no jacket can fix. Your brain is desperately trying to force you into micro-sleeps, 5-second bursts of unconsciousness, while your eyes stay wide open. Day 3, the brain eats itself. 72 hours in, the damage becomes structural. Your brain is starving, so it begins to recycle its own proteins to survive. This is autophagy. You are literally consuming yourself. Your speech slurs, your memory vanishes, and the first glitches appear in the corner of your eyes. Day 4, the shadow people. At 96 hours, the line between dreams and reality finally snaps. Welcome to the waking nightmare. This is the arrival of the shadow people. Dark, tall silhouettes standing in the corner of your room. You turn to look, and they vanish. Your brain is dreaming, while your eyes are wide open. Reality is no longer a guarantee. Day 5, the reality shatters. 120 hours. The sensory distortion is now absolute. The walls begin to ripple like water, and you hear your name whispered in a silent room. Fight or flight. But there is nowhere left to run. Day 6, organ failure. 144 hours. The body is no longer fighting to stay awake. It is fighting to stay alive. Your heart rhythm becomes irregular. Your immune system collapses. You are a walking ghost. The cold is no longer on your skin. It is in your bones. Day 7, total system shutdown. 168 hours. The final wall. The brain simply surrenders. You aren't just tired anymore. You are gone. The world is a silent, gray hum. The journey ends here, in the void. Total system shutdown.